Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your daily energies, career situation and your relationship, guys, I'll be picking few cards. So let's start with your daily energies first. These are for your daily energies, Scorpios. For your career situation and relationship, I'll be picking more cards from another deck, guys. So 3 cards each for your career situation and your relationship. These are for your career situation, Scorpios, and 3 more cards for your relationship, and 1 card from the Oracle Guidance deck. So that is a general guidance for you all today, guys. It may be an answer to some questions that we have, so you can watch that, guys. That will be an answer to any question that you have in your mind today, Scorpios. So let's start with the daily reading first. We will see what are the cards here. The Cardinal of Stars, the Prince of Suns, and the Sun. With these cards, Scorpios, for your daily energy, you have that happiness and joy in your situation. Things are falling into place. You have that contentment and happiness. You are able to see clearly what you need to do today, and you have that optimism in your heart and confidence in your situation, guys. And even in certain stressful situation, circumstance, you have that confidence to see you through, and you are able to handle any situation effectively, guys. And you have that friendship of people around you, and people look up to you as a person of great inspiration. And with these cards, I also see here that you are in good health, in a good position in life, and you have that happiness and contentment in your position today. And you are a very powerful person. You have that confidence, determination and strength, and you are rushing things. You have that the way of dealing with things. You just rush through things. Some decisions you may it may seem out of control, guys, your attitude or the way you proceed. So you're too much concerned about your success, and maybe that is the reason that you are rushing through without that thought. You want to take up that spot, that important spot in life, and your strength may be great and your actions may be good, but in the way you deal with your situation, it may be ruthless and fierce. Maybe the way you make some choices or make some rules for yourself and for the people around you. So you have that fierce attitude. You do not want to comply with other people today, guys. So that is what I see, and people see you as an inspiration. People see you as a person of knowledge. You know what to do to reach success, but the way you follow rules or make other people go about, that may be quite fierce, and they may see you as a ruthless leader, guys. So that is what I see with these cards for your daily energies. Let us see what are these cards for your career situation now. For your career situation, guys, it's 7 of Wands, Ace of Swords in reverse, 7 of Wands in reverse, guys, and 8 of Wands. So with these cards in your situation today, Scorpios, with these cards for your career situation, guys, there are certain circumstances where you may feel quite anxious or worried about the way things may go, your projects or some deals, whatever you are having in your work, and you would have maybe your past mistakes, maybe the reason that things are not going in a positive way, and you may feel guilty of those mistakes, and that may be the reason for some people coming and arguing with you because of the way you handle your situation in the past, and people are maybe quite jealous with you because of the way you handle your situation today. Maybe you are having that strength and power to deal your situation, but they may feel jealous because even after these troubles you are handling it with that hope and that faith that things may turn out well. And maybe in certain things things may change, guys, for the better, and you may see someone coming with a good news today, guys. Something in your maybe something regarding your projects or some collaborations, someone coming with a good news, and it promises happiness in your situation today, Scorpios. That is what I see with these cards for your career situation, guys. Let us see what are these cards for your relationship, Scorpios. It's 9 of Pentacles in reverse, 2 of Cups, the World in reverse. In this relationship, guys, you have that love for this person and attraction, intimacy is there in this connection, but something is stopping you from moving forward towards marriage or engagement. Maybe you have doubts about this person, you are not having that total faith on them, something is obstructing, guys, and you you are feeling stuck with certain decisions. Maybe maybe circumstances are such that you are not able to progress forward, maybe because of your work or something else. Something is weighing your mind, burdening you to stopping you to move forward in this relationship, guys. So some kind of obstacles are there, but you have this love and affection for each other. So what is the reason? We do not know. Let us see what is the oracle card, guys. The guidance for your higher power. So this card just means that each and every one of us, we are not just human beings, we have that divine spark in us. So we are part of that divinity, that higher power or God, whatever you call it. So when sometimes you have that in any situation, when you have that intuition or when you see signs, you need to understand that you are protected and divinely directed in life, guys. So this card, this appearance of this card in a reading also means that we have that deep spiritual bond with this person we are in connection with, and this person is there in our life just to give us that growth and evolution, guys. So that is what this oracle guidance is about. So this person is there in our life for a reason. And that is the reading for you all today, Scorpios. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.